Alright guys, today is September 30th. I believe, yeah, the last day of the month, man. And I'm gonna be going over what I traded today, what I could have fixed, what I should have done, all that good stuff. Alright, so here at Market Open, our our session high and low, that seemed reasonable, right? We had our London lows, we had Asia highs and London highs up here. We also had some New York PM here. I'll just mark it down. And yeah, cool. We have our key levels. We had pretty equal highs here, which was my targets. What was my bias? So with my bias, I didn't really have one. I was neutral, right? Until I saw this part. We disrespected this bearish fair value gap. So I was like, okay, this could be a swing low to continue higher, right? So I was a bit more bullish, I would say. And so yeah, I'll just continue with market open. And just see what it gives us. So market open, immediately we went all the way down, right? So we swept all of this low resistance liquidity all the way to this external. So it's like, okay, external liquidity to internal, right? That's always how it goes. So we did we took these London lows liquidity, and what did I see here? We had a 1 hour here and a 15-minute here. So obviously we base our trade off of those fair value gaps on a lower time frame, right? So this one's the hourly, this was the 15. And the hourly, we instantly we rejected off of it. So I was like, okay, that's cool. And I still wanted these low stick to get taken, because after this 15-minute there's really nothing else to take here other than if you go all the way here, which is realistically you're not gonna go all the way here, right? That's too deep of a retrace or a price to take, right? So I wanted this 15 to get taken. You could have probably traded this, but for me I didn't, because there's no inverse to take other than this, and you would have hit this 2-minute already, right? So I didn't really like that trade, so I was just patient, you know. Good thing I was patient, but the bad thing is I didn't take it. I don't know why I didn't take it, right? So we tapped into this 15 right here. We tapped into it and we reacted to a V shape already, and our lowest inverse was the 1 minute, so it was pretty damn perfect, right? So I didn't take this trade. I didn't take it because I had no idea why I did. Like, this was an A plus setup for the model I trade, and yet I didn't take it, right? I don't know why I did it. So our stops would have been this low, and we target 1-to-1, which is here. My targets was all the way these liquidity, I marked, and then I just put this as my break even, and we could have targeted this. And yeah, if we took this trade, by the way, if we did shake this trade, we would have won. We would have won. Like, just ignore this one for now. Like, we extended this, it would have been a long ass trade, but we would have hit, right? Even these or these, maybe even this. I haven't checked actually. Let's see. So all the way here, which was, I believe, our equal yeah, are equals, relatively equal highs. So I don't know why I didn't take that trade. I don't know. I think it just got to me. Like, I can't really make up an excuse, right? But I didn't take that trade. This is the trade we did take though. So let me get rid of these real quick. So boom. Okay. This is the trade we took. What did I see? We had a 15-minute here, fair value gap. And since we did dump, at this time, I just wanted us to respect it and then continue lower, because it seemed like that's what price wanted at this time I was trading. Obviously my original draw was the better trade, but hey, we live and we learn. I don't know, I just didn't take it, which kind of pissed me off. So here we respected that 15-minute. We had inverses to take. We had this, but then I was like, that is too low, so let's see another retrace and then we can enter off that. So we had this 1 minute fair value gap that I wanted us to retrace to and then continue lower, which happened, right? We tapped into the 1 minute, we respected it, and now we just have to inverse this and then not enter, which we did, right? I entered off this candle. My stops were just here, not this, because with fair value gaps I just want like a little more space than this much, and then I was just like targeting this for a 2RR. And so yeah, this is our trade. We almost get stopped here, and then at this point I was thinking, okay, I'll hit this as my break-even point, and then this is full TP, and we never got to that and we got stopped, right? But if our original trade idea, the trade idea we took, which was this inverse and the entry, this was the trade we should have taken to those equal highs or whatever it was. Man, and I was more bullish for today, but we live and we learn, you know. Sometimes I do have to trust my gut. Yeah, so that was the high we took, and PM we had pretty decent movement. But yeah, I only took one trade, the second one that I showed. First one I didn't take, the one I should have taken. And yeah, I didn't trade any other times because I was like annoyed already, which was good that I didn't trade more. But yeah, that is my trade for today. See you guys maybe tomorrow. Let's see, 31st or the 1st. PMY high impact at 8. So we're probably gonna trade tomorrow, but after 8. We'll see. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, you know, we have a better week because our account's down pretty bad. We're down almost $1,000. Our minimum balance is 48, so we have $1,000 to play with. I don't know if I want to risk up for an A+ model, but yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Alright guys, let's just keep our heads up, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.